Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and as you see, I'm out here on the beach. I am vacationing in the Dominican Republic, and I just remembered that I still need to unbox the Pixel 3a. So this is going to be a totally different video than I normally do, and we will go ahead and unbox this really quick so I can go ahead and take some pictures and do all that while I'm here in this beautiful environment. So let's go ahead and get this unboxing done. So here you have the Pixel 3a, very plain but decent looking box. And we won't go into all this, but I got the clearly white, I believe that is. Let me take a look. Yes, I got the clearly white, and so 64 gigabytes. Now let's go ahead and unbox this quickly. You guys hear the ocean behind me? Okay, so here it is. The phone is face down. I'll go ahead and use the pull tab. Set that aside. And looks like we have manuals, probably, the SIM ejection tool, which this is. It's showing you how to take the SIM tray out to go ahead and put your SIM in. Team Pixel, who wants a sticker? And not much in the box. We have a pretty, this got some weight, but the power brick. And what is this? Can't really see it, but here you have your power brick, and then type C to type C charging cable, and then they give you an adapter, and that's all you're going to get in the 3A box. So you guys, this is my first Pixel device. I have had the Huawei Nexus 6P, but this is my actual first Pixel device. And let's go ahead and quickly take the plastic off of the device. It's a little smaller than the ones I'm rocking with now. Right now, today, or on this vacation, I'm recording with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. I have my lovely LG G8 with me, and then also the Huawei P30. So the device, it feels nice. It looks actually really nice. You got your fingerprint sensor. There's your single camera. You have a flash. And then I like the accent that they have here. You see the power button and your up and down buttons. And to the left side of the device, there is just the SIM tray. And other than that, it's pretty clean. The bottom of the device, I am assuming that these are speakers, maybe stereo speakers, not really sure. And your Type-C port. And what I'm pretty stoked about is you see that headphone jack, which, you know, a lot of people say that's a thing of the past, but this cheaper variant of the Pixel 3 has a headphone jack. Now that's pretty cool. Let's see if I have any power to this. So we're gonna power it up. And I can't do much as far as downloading any of my apps or doing any of that because the Wi-Fi here is not all that great. Plus, you can only have 2 devices per room. And yeah, I'm already past my limit. So I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. But I wanted to go ahead and at least get this unboxed and get a feel for this device while I'm here. Thanks for watching. I want everyone to have a spectacular day. And until next time, later.